Okay, so what did we change? So I've set up the NICs using the Pylon configurator, Gigi configurator. I ran the complete optimized setup on one NIC plus the two network cards. And the two cameras. And now I am having my internet connection, so our stream to YouTube on a different NIC. So that should all be good. And a bit funny that I don't see the stream at the moment on my website. Oh yeah, it's live now. Okay. So the title is the same. I should change the title to number 2. Anyway, this is running. So now we're going to switch on the cameras. Let's clear the. Oh, let's redo this. Let's redo this. So we have a clear matches log. So here we go. Camera 1, or actually camera 2 and camera 1. So there's no errors at the start. There's 50 frames a second. We're on the Basler R8. And I see one failed frame from one camera. Same problem, the buffer was incompletely grabbed. So how many times will this occur in the coming hour? Funny thing is that it reads 2 errors, but it only shows 1 error on camera 1. The other camera is not having any problems. That's that camera. Okay, let's pick the cameras so we can see this camera, this camera. Is actually, I don't know which one is the one. Is that one? Well, I switched on camera 2 first, so 1. Still don't know which one is which one actually. I guess this is camera. Oh, it says camera 1 on top over here. So that camera had one failing image. That's the camera that we got from the during the event in Rotterdam. I'm not mentioning who we got it from, but from the event in Rotterdam, we got this camera. The other camera is directly from the gym. Okay, so they are on a separate address. So let's see what this is doing. Keep it on top. Same type of memory and all the stuff that's going on here. So the only difference now is that the YouTube stream is going over to another NIC. So the camera and the switch and the other NIC are only dedicated to the camera streams. So that's in the top of the screen on there. Yeah. Not much to say actually. You can see over here, like if you select the network, that the Pylon viewer is actually using all that bandwidth, which was expected. It's also using most of the memory. Not most. I've got Cloudflare, I've got Microsoft Edge running, of course. I'm watching the stream myself. Got some other stuff open. Let's close that for a moment, see if that actually makes a difference. Yeah, makes a difference. It's not shocking. OBS itself, which is on the other network card, 10 megabytes per second. That's nothing. So let's, how does it look in this screen? Okay, so this is the 1 gig net NIC. So that's the internet. Some spikes, some little spikes, nothing special. And then the 10 gigabyte NIC, who can process at the moment 2.5 megabits per 2.5 gigahertz per second. It's close to the 2, but that's plenty. So why can it only do 2.5 at the moment? Because the switch is limited to 2.5 gigahertz gigabits. So the NIC is a 10G NIC, but then in the communication, it's not magically helping the switch. So all the cables are Cat7. But this, like a third camera, would be actually a problem. This 1.8 gigahertz, so that's 0.9 gigabyte per camera. So 3 cameras, it's 3 times 9, 2.7. So that's too much. Two cameras is okay. 3 cameras is too much. So if you want to do this right, I need a 10 gig connection. The switch should handle 10. Same as the network card. Then we can do 3 or 4. Actually, we can do 6, 8. No, not 8. 8 is too much. 8 cameras would actually do the job. 9 cameras. In theory, 10 cameras could be handled by 10 gigabytes. So that means that we've got 5 cameras. So 5 cameras would be actually fine. 5 cameras would be fine on 10 gig. So the takeaway is network matters. We don't have any problems at the moment, except with this one frame. So in the software, I still need to make a protection against losing frames. I think I know enough. I can work with this. End of stream.